A manufacturing company in Gloucester is playing its part in the battle against coronavirus. Stratos Precision Engineering has been contracted to produce 40,000 components for ventilators. Technical Director Mark Vine says it's been a challenge, but they've already shipped more than 32,000 items.
We've been running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're very proud to be part of the national drive towards getting more ventilators out there. There's only sort of about 12 of us. We've managed to split shifts. We have some coming in early, some going out late, and we just load up the machine and it just keeps producing the parts, and we just got to keep an eye on quality, keep checking it. It's been very busy.
Celebrating people on the Breakfast Show who are rolling up their sleeves and then making things at the moment that are needed. Mark Vine's our next guest. Mark from Stratos Precision Engineering in Gloucester. Staff there are working around the clock to make 40,000 components for ventilators needed for coronavirus patients. And Mark is with me now. Morning, Mark.
Good morning, Mark.
Can you just explain the bit you're making, how it fits in the wider context of a ventilator?
Yes, we were approached by a national consortium who were tasked with finding extra ventilators, and they were initially looking for 18,000 ventilators to be manufactured. So we've been making 5 particular items, and these are in total over 32,000 actual components we've had to make in around a 2-week lead time. So, yeah, it's been very busy.
I bet. So there's a team, there's no more than 12 of you, split shifts 24/7. How's that working?
It's been long days. I must take this time to say a big thank you to all our employees, our colleagues, my business partner, John. It's been a monumental effort by everybody, but, it's our small, we can do our small bit in the larger picture. That's what we've got to do.
How does it make you, sorry to interrupt you, how does it make you and your team feel about what you're actually doing proactively at the moment?
I think we're immensely proud. I'm immensely proud of everybody who's stepped up. We've worked in 24/7. We've had guys who've worked 15, 16 days straight through. We haven't had an Easter or a weekend. But yeah, it's been tough. But you've only got to watch the news, and there are some really sad scenes. Just to be thinking that we can do our small bit to help, that's what keeps us going.
And Mark, how are you dealing with the social distancing, trying to produce all this, but look after yourselves, and then when you go home, look after your families?
Well, that's the thing that we're all, we are acutely aware of. We are in a position that we can actually sort of separate ourselves on the shop floor. We're not actually working side by side. We go home, and we probably straight into the shower, and yeah, you've got to be sensible about it.
And just finally, you're going to have to pace yourselves, because I imagine this is going to go on for a while, taking breaks, having holidays. How do you do that? It's tough, but you're going to need to do it so you don't burn out.
That's it, exactly. I mean, we've got a great team here. The days are blurred into one, so it's somebody can have a day off and somebody else will cover them. And we just got to keep the ball rolling. But so we've had so much help from our existing customers, who understand that we've got to push back our deadlines for their particular components. And so it's been a monumental effort.
Well, in a crazy time when you're busy, it's been great to have a few minutes with you on the Breakfast Show. Stunning stuff. Thank you, Mark. Good luck to you, your families, and your team. Brilliant to hear from you.
That's great. Thank you, Mark.
Cheers,
Good
Mark.
luck.
Mark Vine from Stratos Precision Engineering in Gloucester.
Mark Vine says he's proud that his team have pulled together and been able to ship 32,000 items in less than 10 days.
We have children and family. Some of those are in the risk category, and we all want to keep safe. So I think that's what drives us along. All the colleagues on the shop floor, they're working so hard to get this amazing project over the line.